Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the call and name announcement in this device. Okay, for this open the dialer application, go to the settings, tap on the option answering and ending calls. Here you can see, right? Tap on this one. So here you can see the option read call and name aloud. Turn on this option. If you tap on this one, you can see some more options. If you want to hear the announcement only over the Bluetooth and headphone, then you have to select this one. If you want to hear the announcement every time, then you need to select this one always. And if you want to hear the name announcement twice, then you need to select this one, read call or name twice. Now I am going to make a call to this number. Then you can
John.
Hear the sound like 1,
John.
yeah, 2. So simply in this way we can enable the call and name announcement in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.